the Tiger Lemon Margarita. It's zingy, sharp and a bit fierce. If it was a person, it would be Carol Baskin from Netflix. Okay, firstly, there's no history of this drink. There's no trace of it whatsoever online, so I could technically be the inventor of it. And no, I'm not being immensely smug about it or being cocky. The ingredient lineup: tequila, using Ariete today, Conitreau, Agave Syrup, the secret weapon which is saline solution, and these little beasts which are tiger lemons. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of tequila. And follow up by adding 3/4 ounce, that's 45 ml of Conitreau of Triple Sec. And you want to add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of your Agave Syrup. Then lastly add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of your tiger lemons. These are quite small, but they did yield a good amount of juice. Put some ice into the shaker, and like a complete amateur, I forgot to add the saline solution. So add 2 to 3 dashes of this. Then shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. Then just launch this into a double rocks glass. There's no need to double strain this whatsoever. Then garnish with a wheel of this tiger lemon. Not exactly fierce, is it? Okay, onto these fierce tiger lemons. They are quite tricky to find, depending on where you live, and they've also been described as a cross between a lime and a grapefruit. I'm a bit 50-50 on this opinion myself. Okay, the taste test. My ego hasn't exactly inflated immensely with this. It's okay, not exactly terrible. I'm more of a fan of a traditional margarita, but that's not going to stop me from experimenting, and I'll definitely revisit this in the future, along with other versions. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.